Okay, ladies, the Bye Bye Knot 2.0 did not come to play. When I say the lace is lacing and the skin is skinning, it's definitely giving black girl magic, even with a honey blonde highlight wig. You guys remember back in the day when we used to try to wear the blonde wigs and the lace would be hard and crunchy and just hard to blend. This one is soft, she melts amazing, and she is 100% glueless. I'm here to show you guys the GOAT, the one. This one is going to be so fire for spring and summer with your bathing suits and your vacations and all of the outings. And again, she's 100% glueless. Very easy to install, very low maintenance, and she comes courtesy of Nadula Hair. I'm going to give you all the tea, so if you're interested in seeing how we got this look, the install, the style, and the curls, keep on watching. Now we're going to go ahead and unbox our package. This one does come courtesy of Nadula. They sent over this beautiful Bye Bye Knot 2.0 honey blonde jerry curl wig. Now that was a mouthful, but I'm going to give you all the details and explain everything in just a moment. This is the wig straight out of the box, as well as the inside construction of the cap. We went for a 7x5 closure lace wig with the adjustable elastic strap. I'm going to adjust mine, and that's really the only pre-prep I'm going to do. We're going to throw her on, and as you guys can see, I put the elastic band on first, the back of the wig on second, and then pull it front to how I like it in the front. Here I'm showing you guys the wig fits like a glove. She's absolutely snug all the way around. It's pre-cut lace. There is pre-bleached knots. The hairline is pre-plucked, and literally, again, it fits like a glove. So I wanted to show you guys close up of what the hairline looks like. I love a good 7x5 because I feel like it's a closure and it fits glueless, but also you get the frontal look without the sideburns, which sometimes the sideburns is what will make a wig need to be bonded down. So it's literally the best of the both worlds. You get the look of a frontal without the hassle of glue and gel and spray. So here I am, and I'm just putting on a little bit of lace tint. I wanted to show you guys, if you really wanted to just put the wig on straight out of the box, how you can achieve it with minimal work. So I'm not going to bond her down or anything like that. I'm just going to literally add a little bit of my lace tint, and this one is a darker shade, which is a thing. When it comes to wearing lighter units, you may have to adjust the products you use as far as lace tint goes, because what will work on a natural brown or even a black wig definitely may show up a lot different if you use it on a wig that has blonde hair. Just saying. So here I am, and I put on something different in the parting as well as in the front. We have a cream foundation in the parting from Ruby Kisses, and then the darker mineral powder from Ruby Kisses along the hairline. I definitely could have went lighter, but this is a powder that I'm able to put on, and it literally is just a foundation, so it's gonna wear off, and we're gonna change it up and adjust. Here I'm showing you guys the parting space. You can definitely do a side part with ease. The lace on the sides is bleached too. It's not one of those, you know, scams where it's only bleached in one spot. Everything on this one is absolutely beautiful and flawless. So you guys can see here, I literally put the wig on, tinted the lace, and it was really good to go. So a lot of the times when you see your faves out and about, what it looked like when I just tint the lace is literally all you had to do. Now, if you're like me and you want to look like you just left the salon and you want to give a little bit of finesse, I added a little bit of mousse along the top just to flatten and smooth it out, and I didn't touch the ends. And literally, again, this is a final step for many people, so you can definitely stop here and you can see it's 100% glueless, no gel, no spray, nothing bonded down. I literally added a mousse to the base to kind of smooth it out, lace tint, and we are good to go. But you guys know I'm not gonna stop there. So I did opt for a little baby hair on this one. Again, this is optional. You can really see how beautiful the hairline is. It literally is a wear and go. I just felt like I was cheating. If I would have just stopped there, like, what is the content? What is the video? So I turned it up a notch for those of us who do like a little baby hair. And I wanted to show you guys how you can get some really nice, good baby hair on this one without having to bond the wig down first. And also without it being like too much or too in your face. Here I'm using the edge control from BeDeckBeauty.com, and I'm just putting a little, so the swoop loops are just like on the sides, not in the center. So when the hair is down and fluffed out, you can really barely see them, but they still give me the oomph that I like, and it really makes the wig, in my opinion, come together and literally look like it's coming out of the scalp. You can be very minimal with the product because this one here doesn't really require a whole lot. You can even do like flat iron baby hair where you kind of like curl them before you put them on and they become wispy, or you can even use the mousse we used prior for the base of the hair as your edge control. I did use the edge control because this is curlier textured hair and sometimes it does want to, you know, act up and do its own thing. And this is what it looks like when you add that extra step. I didn't have to melt the lace. I didn't have to have any product and it is fire. But again, you guys know we're not done. So I'm going to turn it up a notch even more and I'm going to go in and just play with the ends. Honestly, truly, you do not have to at all. But again, I just wanted to show you guys the versatility of the wigs and the options that you have so you can see literally what it will look like wet. I'm using the Lotta Body, which is one of my favorites. It works really well. The end result typically will end up with nice, coily, softer curls that will have a little crunch if you don't add a cream or water, but they're easily softened with just a little bit of oil or a serum. Here I am just stretching that product because I was like at the end. And again, the Lotta Body is perfect because it's a cheapie. It's like $4 on Amazon. I'll have it linked in the description box if you want to try it out. But again, you guys can see here, I'm using the brush and this is my first time combing the hair out and it's nice and smooth and it's not really tangled or shedding or anything like that. So here I did decide for a second to do the coils. Now this is a method that I learned from TikTok of all places where you kind of just take the ends of the hair and I kind of was a little bit lazy with this. For this I really just wanted the coils in the front because I really like the texture of this hair already and I knew it didn't need any help, but you kind of just coil the ones in the front to give the Shirley Temple curl effect when it dries, and then you can go around and add more coils around. Typically you can do bigger pieces and more so adding a more heavier product, like you can add more mousse or you can even add a cream and do bigger pieces and really take your time. I did this just again because it was so simple and easy and I was like literally done with the steps, and so I was like, let me just do a little bit something fun. So again, saturate the ends heavy, like a lot heavier than what I did if you really want to get the effect. And then from there you can allow it to air dry. For me, I'm going to go ahead and diffuse. You guys know I purchased this diffuser from Target maybe a month or 2 months ago and I've honestly been obsessed. It's easy. I don't have to like remove or move attachments to the other blow dryers. I can typically just plug it in and really go in and just diffuse, and it's simple and easy. And I like how large the barrel it is because it covers a lot of space in a short amount of time. But if you already have a blow dryer you love and it did not come with a diffuser attachment, you can definitely go on Amazon and purchase like a universal attachment to your favorite dryer and you will literally spend like $10 or less. So now that I have one side diffused, you guys can see how beautiful it is. I love the combination of this diffuser with my Lotta Body because again, it'll crunch, especially if you don't use any cream, but it won't do too much. Now for a snack break, my son had brought me a snack up, and then I'm going to do the opposite side, and we're literally doing the exact same thing. In the meantime, I do want to mention Nadula Hair does have this wig in a few different options. I went for 7x5 and it's 150% density, but if you do like a frontal, you can definitely get this one. It's a 13x4, and that one also will be a pre-everything wig and 150% density. Also, you can switch up the length. For me, I have 20 inches in length, but you can go as short as 14 inches or as long as 24. I think the 18 would really be cute for like a nice, cute, fun layered bob. But this is pretty much it. I love the way the curls came out. And that is pretty much it, my loves. I am loving this honey blonde highlight jerry curl wig. They came courtesy of Nadula. The Bye Bye Knot 2.0 technology is absolutely flawless and a game changer. If you are a beginner or even intermediate with wigs, maybe even you're a pro and just want something low maintenance, this is the perfect everyday wear and go throw on wig with minimal maintenance. I'll have a direct link and all the details to mine in the description box. Smooches. Nadula.